Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday EV. For today's video, I'm pretty excited about this. This is my first unboxing video. Now you may be wondering what's in this box. Well, for today's video, I will be unboxing the MUSTART 40 amp portable electric vehicle charger. So let's get started. So before we begin, let's do a quick overview of what's in this box and what's to come with the specific product test. Well, this is a NEMA 1450 standard 40 amp portable electric vehicle charger. And MUSTART sent it to me to do a product review over the period of a few months. So I will be doing some camping videos, some road trip videos, and just doing a in-depth product review over the next few videos of what this MUSTART charger is capable of. If you drive a Chevy Bolt EV, you know that the vehicle did not come with a portable level 2 charger. The new ones do as an option, but the one that I have only came with a portable level 1 charger. So I do not have a portable level 2 charger. So I'm pretty excited to try this and test this out for you guys. So I just want to say a big thank you for MUSTART for sending me this charger. What's also really cool is that they set up a discount code for anybody who watches this video and is looking to purchase a charger like this. When you go to your checkout, make sure you submit discount code EverydayEV. You'll get 20% off of your purchase. And honestly, I'm super excited about that because that's my first discount code. So definitely check them out. I'm really excited to get this open. So, as I mentioned, this is my first unboxing video. We'll see how this goes. Got a sharp knife. Hopefully I don't hurt myself with this. I will say that this got here really quickly. You can purchase these on Amazon. I think this only took about a day, 2 days to get this here. It is packaged really well. Nice labeling on the side with MUSTART. Okay, so let me open this up. So right away, I can already tell that there is a lot of quality to what's in this box. This is a warm tip, which is a burlap bag that's provided to cover the plug so as not to damage the LCD screen that's on the charger itself. You get a nice user manual. We will definitely be diving into that. One other thing I do want to mention is that this is an upgraded version of the original portable charger that they offered. So there is some more waterproofing and just some other goodies that they installed in this portable charger for users. You get a nice bracket to hang up the cable. Not really sure if I'll be using this since we already have a level 2 charger on the side of our house, but this will be good if we do install this in the garage possibly. You get some hardware to install on the side of the house. And now, also more, this is kind of like a holster that you install into the wall so you can clip the J1772 plug in there and let it just kind of hang. And, oh man, this is heavy. Just pop that open, put the box on the ground. Okay. So right away, it comes with this really nice carrying case that is really high quality. Honestly, I could really see this holding up for a lot of different usage. One of my favorite things about this that I'm already noticing is that it's really compact, which would be really good for like a trunk situation, especially in our Bolt where we don't really have a front trunk. So we should be able to store this alongside luggage for any potential road trips. I really like this logo, and then you have the MUSTART Solutions website on here. So let's get this open, and right away I can tell that this is very industrial. You got some nice bubble wrap, so I am going to carefully cut this open. Don't judge me for how I'm cutting that. I know that you're not supposed to cut towards you, but away, but I also don't want to damage any of the hardware on the charger. Probably be a good thing to have scissors while doing this. Okay, so right here, my initial thoughts is quality. There is a lot of quality to the rubber along the main cord right here, and this nice plastic holder honestly feels like it could potentially be metal. It looks like it's metal too. It's this really nice like dark metallic blue color, and it has this really satisfying clip right here for when you plug in your vehicle. What's also really nice about this is that not every electric vehicle charger has this, but there's this really nice rubber cap to protect the pins right here on the J1772 port. And it just hangs right there because it's attached to this. I'm honestly, my initial thoughts, really impressed by the quality of this. So we'll drop that. Getting bubble wrap and cardboard all over me. Okay, cut this open. Another nice thing that obviously, you'll have this shipped to your house is that you can tell that this is really well protected, and MUSTART does a really good job with making sure that their product is prepped for shipping. You can obviously tell that they really go out of their way to make sure that the product is protected. Hence this nice plastic covering for the NEMA 1450 standard. Just slide that right back on. And everything is really organized here, so I'm not going to cut that open. This is a 25-foot cable, so it should offer plenty of versatility when it comes to finding a parking spot and plugging in, especially at a camping site. And I'm not going to cut this. We'll just unravel this. So now this is the main charger. I actually might need to cut the bubble wrap. And what's also really cool about this is that it color matches the plug right here. And this right here is the main housing unit. So there's a nice LCD screen right here. You have LED lighting or status lighting right here. And then you can also see that there's a fault power and charging status light. So the nice thing about this screen is that it will show you things like amperage, the kilowatts that you're delivering to your vehicle, the time that your vehicle has been charging, and just a lot of other goodies. The nice thing about this is that not a lot of electric vehicle chargers have screens. You kind of have to use a mobile app, so it's nice to see that this will constantly monitor what is happening between the outlet and your vehicle. One other thing that I do want to mention is that this is rated to be more like water resistant and dust resistant. However, it is not waterproof. So MUSTART definitely recommends that you don't use this outside if it is raining. You want to keep this specific unit on this charger inside. This, however, is fully waterproof, so you should be able to use this outside. But this, you want to make sure you keep this covered if it is raining. So yeah. That's honestly it for right now. I'm very impressed by this. I have been looking to try a portable charger for a very long time. And one of my good friends, Alex Sibla, who I partner on the Living Electric podcast, did an unboxing one of these a few months ago. And I've always just been very intrigued by the product. And to be honest, I'm really glad and happy that MUSTART was so friendly to work with me and to send me one of these. So I'm excited to test this throughout the summer and go to different campsites and just get a good use of this. Now, if you're wondering why you might need a portable level 2 charger, well, the thing is that with the infrastructure of electric vehicles growing all the time, there's definitely some blank spaces throughout the United States where you might need something like this to keep yourself driving. The first thing that comes to mind is if you're at a campsite, if you're plugging in overnight, you're going to get a full charge to continue on your trip. Or if you're camping for a few days, and you want to make sure that your car is charged, you'll definitely need one of these too. Another thing is that like if you don't want to install a charging station, say like hardwired into your house, but you have a NEMA 1450 plug that you want to utilize a charger for, this is what this would be for. So a lot of cars are coming with chargers like this, but a lot of cars also don't have a solution that MUSTART is offering. So I definitely see why there's a need for this, and as a Bolt driver, at least a first generation Bolt driver, there's definitely a need for this. Okay, so we're gonna clean this up just a little bit. We're gonna slide that back on. It fits really nice and snug, except I think I kind of kinked the cord just a little bit. Okay, there we go. So my initial thoughts of the MUSTART portable EV charger is that I really want to try it. The only thing is that I don't have a NEMA 1450 here at the house. My specific Siemens VersaCharge is actually connected to a NEMA 650. And I hate to say this, I'm embarrassed, but I lost the key to the lock for that outlet. So I can't exactly try that either. But I'm excited to try this whenever I do get a chance. So as you guys might be familiar with, some of my videos from last summer, I did do a road trip to multiple different racetracks with my husband and part of our racing group. So there's opportunities to definitely try this throughout the summer, and I'm very excited to do this. I have some camping planned, and I'm excited just to see how this works. But for today's video, I just wanted to do an introduction of what this charger is, what MUSTART is, and honestly just say a big thank you to MUSTART for sending me this. I'm really, really grateful that they saw this opportunity in me. So thank you, MUSTART. Honestly, I'm so excited to try this. Well, anyways, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I know that it really wasn't too much besides just a simple unboxing. I wasn't really exactly sure what else to show you guys besides hardware. But if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, I can already tell from initial quality, it's very good. Definitely check out MUSTART Solutions. And if you are interested in purchasing one, use that discount code that I mentioned at the beginning. It's one word, everyday EV, and you'll save 20% off of your purchase of a MUSTART Solutions product. So definitely check them out. And before I finish this video, if you liked it, make sure you like and share with your friends. And as always, make sure you subscribe to the Everyday EV YouTube channel. I'm excited to be producing more content for you guys. As always, guys, I hope you're staying well, taking care, and I hope you make every day electrifying. I'll see you guys in the next one.